How do current agricultural practices meet our needs, and what possibilities could we unlock by improving them? Welcome to a journey into the world of Agrichain, a transformative force in the agricultural landscape. Agrichain is that service, boasting multiple key offerings that redefine how farmers approach their craft. Real-time weather forecasting emerges as a linchpin, providing farmers with up-to-the-minute meteorological insights. Imagine the power of knowing the weather before it strikes, making informed decisions regarding planting, irrigation, and harvesting. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality with Agrichain, effectively mitigating weather-related risks and optimizing yield potential. Consider for a moment the potential of drone monitoring technology, capturing data from even the most inaccessible areas of a farm. This isn't science fiction, it's a remarkable asset Agrichain offers, providing farmers with detailed insights into crop health, potential pest issues, or areas requiring immediate attention. Delving deeper into the soil, Agrichain offers in-depth assessments that optimize crop growth and aid farmers in understanding the suitability of their land for specific crops. The result? Informed decisions for higher yield cultivation. But Agrichain's commitment doesn't stop at technological innovations. It extends into financial support mechanisms, providing farmers with access to vital capital and economic insights. Accessibility is a cornerstone of Agrichain's platform, ensuring all farmers can seamlessly harness its rich trove of resources. Community engagement initiatives foster a knowledgeable and collaborative farming ecosystem, encouraging shared learning and support among peers. Through strategic collaborations and partnerships, Agrichain fortifies its impact, ensuring essential agricultural information reaches every farmer's doorstep. Data privacy is sacrosanct for Agrichain. Anonymized data sharing for broader insights, fortified by robust encryption measures, promotes trust and reliability. Innovations in business models drive sustainability, offering hybrid approaches that balance revenue generation with the provision of free or subsidized services to smaller-scale farmers. In conclusion, Agrichain, with its multifaceted approach, is a catalyst propelling agricultural evolution toward a prosperous and sustainable future, redefining farming practices and empowering farmers to reach their full potential.